Penguin is hosting some kind of fighting tournament. That's where I need to go.
Let's have us a respect. It ain't easy to come by these days, especially not this days.
Cousin, he's in the war.
Want to find any buyers for him yet?
Nah, Penguin's just been testing him out.
Serious? I thought he was like an urban myth. We're in trouble. He's just one man. I don't want to die!
Come on now! I've seen schoolgirls with more grit! Alright, lads. The rest of you losers to be are gonna have to embarrass yourselves without me. God knows you can do it. I've got some business to take in the office, and I don't want to be disturbed. Tracy will be ready when I get back.
Sounds like Penguin will be in his office. Tracy should know where that is. I'll make her talk. I'm looking for Black Mask. Where is he?
I ain't here to talk. I'm here to kick your ass.
This is your last chance.
Black Mask must be out of his mind. Put up 50 minutes.
Alright, you lousy mugs. Time to earn your supper.
He can't keep this up. Wipe the street!
You don't have that off him?
Come on, bring it!
You poncy wankers! You'll be the last thing you do!
This ain't possible!
appointment. To the casino, then. Someone's got to warn Cobblepot what's coming his way.
Please don't.
Where's Cobblepot?
I ain't telling you, Jack.
A little more pressure and I'll crush your larynx. What's it going to be?
All right, all right. He's in his office. Only way in is through the theater, on the other side of the casino. But you'll never get past Tracy.
Tracy is not a problem.